Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna be replacing the cabin or pollen filter on my Alfa Romeo Giulietta, and I'm gonna be doing a detailed video so you can follow it step by step and potentially save some money by doing it yourself. First, let's check out the new filter. Now the new filter is gonna cost you maybe like 10-15 euros. Now if I pull it out, you can see that it actually comes with a set of instructions. Now let's check it out. The instructions are not actually detailed, however they can help you out. I'm gonna access the cabin filter through the passenger footwell, and to do that I have to remove this plastic trim piece right here. It is held in place with some plastic clips, so I'm just gonna pull it off. Now make sure that you are gentle. If it doesn't want to come off, don't force it so you don't break any of the plastic clips. Alright, there it is. Let's take a better look of the clips. You got a couple of them right here, and you also got these directional ones, so when you install this trim piece back, you have to pay attention which way they're supposed to slide in. Next I'm gonna remove this piece of carpet, and it's held in place with some plastic rivets. Now there are 3 right there, and there's actually the 4th one right here in this corner, and there's the 5th one in the back, which I'm gonna show you a bit later. I'm just gonna use my pliers to pull them out. Alright, here's the 2nd one, the 3rd one. Now this 4th one is added additionally, so I'm gonna use my flathead screwdriver to remove it. Now there's the 5th one right there all the way to the back. Now to remove it, all we gotta do is push the carpet toward the front of the car and slide it out. Now you can also try to remove this metal piece, but it is definitely trickier than just sliding the carpet out. Now that I got those 2 pieces removed, I got clear access to the cabin filter. Now there's our plastic cover right there. It is held in place with this small screw. So I'm just gonna undo it real fast. And to get it out, you're gonna need a 3mm Allen socket. Now I'm just gonna pull this plastic cover down, just like that, and I can just pull the filter out. I can't really grab it by fingers, so I'm gonna use my flathead screwdriver to get it out. Now by the looks of it, I can see that this filter hasn't been installed properly. It's installed upside down. This little notch at the bottom is actually supposed to be at the top, and you can also see that this filter is quite dirty and it hasn't been changed in a while. The main thing you have to pay attention to is the airflow. Now this arrow is supposed to point toward the back of the car, and the filter is actually supposed to go in just like this. Another thing you always want to do is clean the filter housing. As you can see right here, there's always going to be some debris left in there, the leaves and dirt, and to clean it you can use a vacuum cleaner. There's the better look of the notch that I was talking about. You can see it in the top left corner. Now when you install the filter, you got to pay attention to it, otherwise you can damage the filter. Another thing that you always want to do is compare your old and new filters. You gotta make sure that they are the same length, width, and thickness, and you can see that these 2 filters are the same. Here's the direction in which the filter is supposed to be installed. I'm gonna place it like this so the edge of the filter gets inside that notch, and I'm gonna push the top right corner just like that and slide the filter in. Now if you feel any resistance, it means that the filter is not seated properly and you don't want to force it, because you can easily damage it. I'm gonna place this top cover and I'm just gonna slide it up. Next I'm gonna take my screw and reinstall it back. And lastly we got the carpet and the plastic trim piece to put back. The installation of the carpet is gonna be the reverse of the disassembly. I'm first gonna slide in this fifth plastic rivet just like that, and I'm just gonna push the rest of them back in. There's the last one. Now to put this plastic piece, as I said in the beginning of the video, pay attention to these plastic pieces which are directional. Put them in first, and now just push in these plastic clips. Again, you don't want to force it. If it doesn't want to go back in, readjust it so you don't break anything. And that is pretty much it. So there you go, that's how you replace the cabin filter on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. And as you could have seen, the process is not complicated at all. However, I have to be honest, the job is a bit hard just because you are working in the confined space, so everything you do is that much harder. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our 50.